I'm at the Villa São Martinho do Porto in Portugal, and I was passing by this old area, and I decided, okay, this is where I'm going to do a sketch. So today I'm going to show you how I sketch this place. The goal here was to bring perspective on this sketch. First, you have a flat area here, which is the background buildings, and this building on the right side will make the view come close to us. And also, these straight lines that comes straight to me, this brings a lot of perspective. And this is the conversation where I'm having here. Bringing a person to the scene also helps us to have the dimension of the building and the size of all this place. And also the car, it's things that we can really recognize easily and understand, okay, the size of the buildings are this tall because of the person. Now I'm going to start to put colors, and I choose this view because it's so tutti frutti color. What I mean by tutti frutti is like very poppy, strong colors that I want to just make it clean and then try to capture these shadows that are very strong at the moment. Let's see if I can do that. Now that the colors are there, I'm just going to put the shadows that are very strong, and I can make the outline of the shadow and bring things a bit more forward to me. sketch is done. Sun is out as well, so it's super cold at the moment. So time to head back home.